We will see some medicinal plants. Plant medicine offers an attractive option. We have few commercial successes to point to in the use of plant medicine for the control of human disease. In comparison to plant medicine, many of the allopathic medicines are expensive, which cannot be bearable by poorer. Nowadays, awareness about plant medicine has been increased. Let us see the medicinal plant that aloe vera. The common name of aloe vera is Corford. The botanical name of aloe vera is aloe vera. The common name is aloe and family is Liliaceae. Let us see economic importance of this aloe vera plant. The leaf pulp is given in fevers, enlargement of liver, spleen and other glands. It is used as an ingredient in preparation of base quality cosmetics. It is used in preparation of hair oil. It is given in constipation, menstrual suppression, jaundice and rheumatic affections. Then the another importance is the leaf juice with honey is given in cough and cold. One leaf daily is given in abdominal tumors, piles and retention of urine in fevers. Then another importance is the leaf juice is given to children to expel out the ascaris. The paste of leaf applied over tumors and cysts. The leaves are used as remedy for various diseases. After removal of skin, they are given to persons suffering from fever and enlargement of spleen. This is the plant aloe vera. Then we will see the another plant, that is ashwagandha. The common name is ashwagandha and its botanical name is Withania somnifera. Its vernacular name is ashwagandha and its family is Solanaceae. Let us see its economic importance. The ashwagandha Withania somnifera, that is popularly known as Indian ginseng. The ashwagandha leaves is known to render vitality and vigor. Besides these, leaves also help in building greater endurance. It is a base tonic prescribed for all types of weaknesses. It relieves hand and limb tremors in elderly people. It promotes strength and vigor. Ashwagandha is an aphrodisiac and rejuvenator. It is used for the treatment of rheumatic pain and inflammation of joints. The drug of this plant is useful in all types of nervous disorders. Then another importance is it is also used in treatment of hypertension. The paste of leaf prepared in water is applied over ulcers, boils and skin infections. Leaf paste is also applied over swellings to restrict pus formation. The roots used for the treatment of cough, dropsy, joint pains and disorders in females. This was ashwagandha. Let us see the another medicinal plant, that is turmeric. The common name is turmeric. The botanical name is Curcuma longa. Vernacular name is haldi. and its family is Gingiberaceae. Let us see its economic importance. Ancient people were used the extract of rhizome for preparation of dye. The rhizome is medicinal, hence used in preparation of various preparation of Ayurveda. The powder of turmeric is used in preparation of various types of cosmetics. Being antiseptic, it is used as skin cleanser. A 1/4 spoonful of turmeric powder mixed in a cup of cold water, which is taken before bed against cold and cough. Recently published that turmeric increases antioxidant capacity of body. Turmeric anti-inflammatory compound. It fights harmful microbes present on skin. Turmeric powder reduces risk of heart disease. Turmeric helps to prevent several cancers. It affects growth and spread of cancer. Turmeric acts against depression. Turmeric is the best anti-aging spice. Helps to delay aging. Now we will see the another medicinal plant, that is Vitex. Its common name is Nirgudi. Its botanical name is Vitex nigundo. Its vernacular name is Nirgudi and family is Laminaceae. Let us see Vitex economic importance. Drinking of 5 ml of root extract once a day helps to expel out the ascaris. Second importance is external application of lip paste of Vitex nigundo for inflamed spleen is found beneficial. Then another use is the paste of lip application over joint pain, and boil leaves in water and inhale steam help to get rid upon fever. This is the plant Vitex. It is used in condition associated with spleen, liver and thyroid. Thus we have seen some medicinal plants and their importance.